This is Microsoft FrontPage, which is an old HTML editor. And this is what I used to create college algebra. As you can see, the interface looks just like other Microsoft products. You have File, Edit, View, Insert. You can insert horizontal line, pictures, hyperlink, format, tools. You can insert a table, data, frames, window, help, etc. And so what I want to show you is how laborious it was to create my documents. So I'm going to go to open, and here is linear equations. And as you can see, all of the images that I had to use. I'll come back to this, but I want to go to the beginning. This is algebraic fractions, and you see 4 folders here, all of the images that I had to use, complex fractions, lots of images. So every concept, there was a ton of images that you had to use to discuss it. So that was just one item. Complex numbers, same thing. So this is the complete college algebra. And as you can see, all of the documents and images that I had to create. So let me open linear equation so that you can see that. So here is the lesson for linear equations at the top. You can see the objective. After completing the lesson, the student will be able to distinguish between an algebraic expression and a linear equation. Also, the learner will be able to solve a linear equation. And then I had different sections here, and these are the internal links that I used that the student could just click to. So I have the terms, definitions, the process, how it should look, and then I inserted internal links to go back up to the top because the document was rather long. All of these are images. All of these are images. And then I started teaching. Here is an example, and this is as if I were at the board. Example 1, step 2. Each step I had to show, each step, each one of these would be an image. And then I'll have this at the end. So you see example 2, example 3, example 4. And notice how this is in red, so it wouldn't be correct today because you need to use something other than color for emphasis. But I did use red to show the steps, what was being done differently. And then after teaching, the students had an opportunity to test their knowledge. And so I would give them an equation, and then they could click the solution to see if it was correct. And these are internal links that would go back. So this is a solution, and when they get the solution, they can return back up to the top. So I just want to show what I had to do to create a document for college algebra in 2001. It was very laborious and time consuming.